Hello all. Today we will be going over another add-in called as Sheet Index Checker. We all have been in that awkward spot where we get an email from our client that our submitted sheets do not match with the index in Revit itself. So as a solution, we have created this add-in. Instead of relying on human eyes, we will be using our APIs and automation to check all these sheets. So let's jump into this. Here, once we click on that sheet index checker, first thing that it is going to ask us is the folder path where we have set all of our PDFs. If you have the folder, you can directly paste it over here and it will pull all the sheets from that folder. But say you don't have all those sheets available, you can directly come here in the browse option and you can select that folder as well. And once we have that one, we will be clicking on our select sheet index option. In that sheet index, we will select the sheet index that we want to use for this checking purpose. Here in the settings, first option we have is check all sheets in the sheet index. I know that some clients do directly check all the sheets, but there are a few which check against a specific parameter. In that case, we will be using second option, check specific sheets in the sheet index. Here, if we are trying to just check for a specific discipline, say electrical, we will check this first option where we will filter out sheets starting with a specific character, like that could be E for electrical. But as we are trying to check for all disciplines, we will check this second parameter matching the following condition. And here, let's say we are trying to check for column G, that's called as construction documents. We will go over here and it is telling us this is the column G. The original parameter name is going to be issued at 3, but it appears as construction document. And then it is going to be equal. And then we will select from drop-down option which value of that row it's going to be. After that, we will select all the sheets that we need to check against. These are combined sets, so I'm selecting combined sets. But if we are trying to check against a separate sheet set as well, that's okay too. It does support combined as well as separate sheets too. And here we can see all these other files are spec files that we do not want to check against. Now I'll hit OK. There we go. We have missing PDF sheets that called as E901 that is available here in our index, but it is not available in the folder. And we can see there is no extra printed sheet in the folder. And if we need, we can directly copy it to the clipboard or we can open it in an Excel file as well. If you have any feedback for this add-in, please do share it with us. We are always looking for ways to improve it. And thank you for joining. Bye.